Hi friends, how is the weekend going? Okay, I'm here again for weekly analysis. This is Mr. Chika from Win Forest with Tobis. So as usual, we've come again to give us our weekly analysis. So our weekly analysis will contain Monday, Monday the 26th of June 2022 all through 1st of July 2022. But before we do that, let's look at our previous weekly analysis. Let's see the ones that were actually went our ways and those that could not. In all the setup, we can see some that went our ways. So we can see those setup that failed. So that is how the market plays. Most times the pair might move in the direction quite alright, and sometimes the market structure might change. Then we'll now look at, in case the market didn't go our direction, we look at the chart and redo analysis. So before us here is the AUD Canadian dollar, where we see the price. Okay, last week we will see the price somewhere here, and we noticed that we could see a little retracement, then take our sell and target here. So if you actually followed us on our page, if you actually follow the signal, you see that it actually give us that retracement, then move in our direction. Okay, we say we are taking our sell here to target this zone. So if we actually take that trade, you see that we make almost 152 pips on that pair alone. 51 pips. So that is for AUD Canadian dollar. AUD Canadian dollar. Then on NZD card, we equally look out for this trade where we say our buy region should be here, or we wait for price at this region. So if you actually follow the analysis, the price came to our buy zone. Okay, move 42 to 77 pips. Okay, so these are buy region, and the trade actually move over 70 pips. So that is it. Even if you took this other one, have to start or to something pips. Okay, so you can see how the trade moves in that setup. Okay, I could not get to our target. So what we'll do is that this weekend we equally look what would be the direction for this pair. Will it continue to move, or we'll see another setup on DXY index, which is the dollar index? We look out for price to give us a sell here, which it actually did. Okay, went up to 70 points, went again to that zone. Okay, so we look at what the price will give us this weekend. Let's see this guy, Euro GBP. If you watch, this guy have not actually moved towards our setup. We say either price move from here and hit our target, or we take our entry here. So let's see, and we have a trend line. So we're going to look out for this price this week. We're going to do analysis again and see what this guy will give us. So on this guy we have a failed setup. Remember, on this setup we are looking for price to give us either from here go towards this point, or from here go here. So we can see this guy is a failed, actually is moving down, but we are going to see what next on this pair. For Euro USD was another pair we were looking out for. Okay, we look out for a buy to target here. Price have not actually hit our target, but did it move in our direction? Yes, it moved in our direction first. 80 pips, and went back again, started here again, move 100 pips plus, Then the third time went there again, and it has moved 60 something feet. So we're going to look at this setup and see, is it worthy to enter, or we go the setup and see what next we are looking at for. Okay, we probably look at this guy. That is our GBP USD for a buy. GBP USD for a buy. For the GBP USD, we took our buy here, and our target was here. So, but it actually moved our direction and gives us 129 pips. Came back again. Okay, so you see the price is ranging. So if you must have taken it, at least going there 3 times. Okay, you see that we are making over 100 pips 3 times. So we're going to look out for this guy. If you remember this setup, I know it was the previous week. We are targeting this zone. These are our breaks. So you see the price have actually hit all the targets. So look out for this in our if you watch, you go through our setup, you see all this. Okay, let it be that we are not giving you price that doesn't move. Okay, it's there. So let's go this week. Let's see what we have for this week chart, this week analysis. Now, like as I do, I'm not going to take much time. I'm going to look at streamline to very narrow. I'm going to narrow my analysis in few pair, maybe up to 5. I'll just look at 5 currency pair. Then we go. Before us here is NZD CHF. NZD CHF. So what is NZD CHF is giving us? First of all, if I go to my daily charts, on my daily chart, we can see that we are having a downtrend. On the daily charts, let me see weekly. Weekly down, daily down. So if you watch weekly, we are seeing a down. Okay. Then, if you go to daily also, you can see that we are having a downtrend. So what are we expecting on this downtrend? Where should we take our buy? What next are we expecting? Okay. On this guy, we can see, how do we know that it's a downtrend? Our trend line have confirmed this. Our trend line have confirmed that we are having a downtrend. So this is our trend line for a downtrend. Now the downtrend, where we take our sell on this downtrend matters. But in this downtrend, what next are we to do? If I do this, you can see that this can give us a channel, but I'm not interested in this channel. Okay. Coming below here, if you notice, you see that we have a support. Okay. You see that support that build up here. You see the same support that formed resistance at this region. Let's go further. Okay, see the same support building up something here and this. Okay, so I want to lay my emphasis on this region. Okay, so if we do this, just follow me closely. On the daily charts, we have this. We have this support. Which price have broken out. Now, what's next? What do we do next? Let's go to H4 chart. On H4 chart, this is that same chart. On H4 chart, we can see this guy giving us this trend, okay, trend line. So what next are we expecting? For me, what I'm expecting is perhaps price to move this direction, then continue the downside. But is this down ready? Let's see if it will be ready. From here, I notice that I have a harmonic pattern. Let's go. From here, I can get this chart building up this. Okay. So most likely, I'm seeing my harmonic pattern forming here. But where should I take my trade? I bring in my Fibonacci. My Fibonacci can confirm this for me. From Fibonacci, we can notice that we are seeing a harmonic pattern that is giving us harmonic pattern forming there, and this harmonic pattern is giving rise to a bat pattern. Okay, is it bat? No, it's giving rise to butterfly or crab pattern. But from what we are having here, what we are seeing here is a butterfly pattern. So where should I take my entry? I will be waiting for price to complete here at this 127 area, because from 127 to 161 is a reversal zone. But on a better note, I wait for price to pull down to this region. So my entry for a buy will be in this region. So I will expect price in the coming week. If I see price pull below here, I can take my buy. Let's go to H1 so that we can be able to follow it clearly. Okay. So our buy region for NZX10 will be here. So if I see price pull down in that region, I can take my buy. So my buy will be somewhere here. Then when I take my buy, I will target this region for TP1. I will target this region for TP1 and TP2, this region. So for my entry, my TP1 will be here, and my TP2 will be here. So let's do it. We're taking a buy this region. So here will be our target. So my target 1 and target 2 will be here. So but am I taking my buy here? Am I buy here? No. I'll wait for price. When price pull back, okay, pull to this region, I take my buy. So that is for NZD CHF. NZD CHF. Take note. Let's go to NZD CHF. So we wait for buy somewhere here. Then we target this zone. So for NZD CHF, that is what we're expecting. Then AUD NZD. Let's go. AUD NZD. Let's see. For AUD NZD. AUD NZD from our chart, you see that we are having an uptrend. AUD NZD weekly is giving us up. Weekly is giving us up. Let's see daily. Daily is equally giving us an uptrend. Okay, you can see an uptrend moving this direction. For NZD, AUD NZD. Now AUD NZD, when we minimize the chart, let's see what is on the daily. On the daily, we can notice that price. Okay, price has hit this region. Okay, I'm having various support and resistance, but I'm looking at the index point. So at this point, you can see price forming a resistance here. Equally gives us a support here. Let's see it once more. Okay, so we notice this region for a resistance, and we equally notice this region turning support. So what next? What next? Let's go to H4. On H4, you can see how this region has built up for us. Okay. So we can see how price has given us this support and a trend line. So what are we expecting on this price? In this coming week, let's see, just a bit. Okay, so for this coming week, we can see prices have already tested its support and resistance zone. So this week we're expecting this price to move up. Look at what I'm observing on this guy after hitting here on an hourly chart. An hourly chart, you notice this zone. Look at how price has played here. Very important to take note. Okay, on an hourly zone, we can see price has built up on this zone. You can notice it here. Okay, so if this guy is something to go by next week, here is good for a buy. This guy is good for a buy. Remember, we are noticing higher high, so here is good for a buy. And when it's good for a buy, what do we do? Let's see where next we target our stock. So this guy is good for a buy. So let's target this zone for our profit. This level for our profit. So NZD, okay. These are profit, take profit. Let's see again. Let's target this zone for take profit too. Okay, let's come back to the H1 chart. So our pair this coming week, for our pair, this guy is already good for this zone for a buy. So what do we do? NZD is good for a buy. Okay, you get a retracement in this zone, you take your buy. When you take your buy, our profit target, we target this level for our TP1. So this guy is good for this zone. So our TP will be nice when we take our TP here. So our TP level for this pair will be 1.11322. Then we have another profit target level. Which will be this zone. So our profit target for this guy, take profit to be on this zone. So if you take that trade, we target this guy for our TP level. So our TP level for AUD NZD. So our buy trade is on this level here. Okay, let's look out for USD Canadian dollar. USD Canadian dollar. This is on the daily chart. If you notice that this guy is an uptrend, okay, an uptrend. Price have already pulled out from here, and if you only look at this, you see that this guy is actually moving up in this channel. So what next are we expecting? Let's go to H4 and see if we can get good opportunity. Actually, we have a head and shoulder here, which are played out, which we give in one of our analysis. Then, coming here, you can notice that we have this zone as a support. Okay, we have this zone as a support zone. Somewhere here. But what next? Let's go to this one. I want us to get an entry here. Now, from this guy, what we are seeing on this pair, we are seeing ABCD pattern. I don't know if you've noticed, if you've gone through ABCD pattern. ABCD pattern is a pattern that moves in A equals to BC. Okay, ABCD pattern is just like price that move in this direction. We notice we can get something like this. Okay, good. So this guy is moving in an ABCD pattern, which is, if I give it that harmonic pattern, this is what we notice. So we're expecting this price to play out in region, which is equally where we are targeting price. So if you want to trade USD Canadian dollar, okay, this guy, let's see from here, you can catch 40 pips or thereabouts. So as the market opens, you can take your sell at this point. So this guy can take your sell and target this region. Okay, so take your sell, target this support first. Target this support. So this guy is good for a sell here. This H1 chart. Okay, it's good for a sell here. So your target should be on this region. Okay, so this is your target area for this sell. So where we see that target area, take note of this region. Take note of this price region, okay? So when you take that sell, you can target that should be a very good thing. Then we look out for price. If we see a reversal at this zone, we go for it, okay? Otherwise, we wait for another reversal somewhere here. So we have a buy zone somewhere at this region. A buy zone here. So I'm giving you two entries. So this guy is good for a buy here, and it will be equally good for a buy here. But we look out for price. What it give us here? The price give us that, then we go for it. Then if it does that, what will be our target? We are targeting this upper trend. Okay. For us, so take note, this region will be our target. So if we get that buy next week, target this region, and what will be the price? Okay, that price should be around 130 zone. So take note for Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. We are targeting a buy. Either our buy to take a short sell from here, from the current price, then take a short sell from this zone, then target this point or make a buy here. So that is for USD Canadian dollar. Okay, this is one of the pair we forecasted last week. Okay, it actually moved a little peak, then it goes down again. So we took a buy and we move almost 70 pips, but we have not hit our target. So what next are we expecting? Okay, for us, this guy is still valid. Okay, this guy is still valid. If you note, you see that we are having a harmonic pattern there. Harmonic pattern, we are having a butterfly pattern. Our price is still on the retracement zone. So what do we do next? We can target. We are still interested in this guy. Okay, we are still interested in this guy. So price is still on the buy zone. So if you must have traded and exit. Okay, this guy is still on the buy zone, and the target still remains here. And which, if he does that, we can take a sell. Okay, so this guy is still on the buy zone. So if you are interested on this pair, you can go for it. Otherwise, you leave it. Okay, this is one of the pair we forecasted last week. So I'm going to leave this guy. Except if I want to do new analysis on this, I want to do new analysis on this, but let's leave that. So we're able to do three currency pair. This is one of the analysis we did. Should we continue with this? Let's see. Okay, if you watch, this guy is a downtrend. The daily is giving us down. Okay, daily is downtrend. So what's next? What do we do next? What do we do next? What we do next depends on what this guy will give us. Right here, we have the support and resistance, which we don't know if it will play out. Okay, let's look for where to enter. Okay. Okay. Let's leave this guy. Let's leave this guy. Let's go to, let's see what next we have on USD CHF. USD CHF. Okay. USD CHF. We are having this. So what next are we expecting on USD CHF? USD CHF is an interesting pair. Okay? It's an interesting pair. At this point, we are having a consolidation. We are seeing price consolidating. Okay? Up to this level. But there's one thing I want to introduce to us, which I've not done before. I want to go to my trend, my indicator. Bringing in first, bringing in this oscillator, MACD. Okay. Now, if you notice on this pair, why I'm interested on this pair, I'm looking for this pair to buy. Okay. But first thing I did here was to bring this oscillator, the MACD. Now, if you look at this MACD, we are seeing this guy giving us a lower high. Okay, why this guy is giving us a lower low? That suggested that price is about to go the direction of the indicator. Yes, let me repeat myself again. From MACD, we are seeing price giving us a lower high. A lower high. But price is giving us what? A lower low. So this guy is telling us that price is what? Is converging or converging. Price is converging, okay? And we know convergence in MACD is giving us what? Is signal for a buy. So what next? We are going for a buy. And also look at this guy. I know I've not been using it, but this guy, this pair prompted me to bring up this pair. If you watch our RSI, okay, let me go to H1 first. On H1, it's giving us the same thing. Okay, it's equally giving us the same thing MACD is giving us. So it's suggesting that price is about to go up. MACD confirm it, RSI confirm it. Even on the H4, okay, you can see it here. So what do we do? For this guy, CHF, USD CHF is good for a buy. Okay, effective price break below this zone. But as price have not break below this zone, as the market open, this guy is good for a buy. And when it's good for a buy, okay, we can target this up top boundary. Okay, the long-term trade is for a buy, so we go for a buy. What do? Buy at this level. So this guy is good for a buy here. Okay. The only thing I will do is in as much as we're having a final target at this point, I can bring the target zone. How do I do that? I can bring the target zone, bring our first target at this level. So let's do it this way. Our first target is on this level. Then our second target will be on this level. So that is for USD CHF. Let me quickly go to Euro USD. Euro USD, we are targeting this zone. For me, I'm still expecting this guy to play out in this zone. Okay, but I'm still expecting this guy to give us up to this target. So Euro USD next week is still a buy trade. Euro USD is still a buy trade. So peradventure we get a pullback. Okay. So for Euro USD, new current price for Euro USD, remember this zone is our target. So as the market open next week, we get this price down in this region. It's good for a buy. Okay, but in case you didn't see that pullback, you can take the buy and target this our level, which is around 1.06. Okay, 0634. So that is for Euro USD. Let me quickly go to GBP USD. GBP USD, okay, GBP USD, we are still expecting this buy. For me, we are still expecting this buy to hit this region. Okay, so what's next? I'm expecting on this guy. Let's go this way. Let me extend this guy. So our target is here. But look at what we're expecting. But this week coming, okay. If we see price pull back to this region, it will be good for a buy. Okay, it will be good for a buy. So take note for GBP USD. The best point to enter the buy is if you see price pull back towards this region. Okay, price pull back towards this region. We go for the buy, then we target. We target this 124 zone. Okay, that is for GBP USD. Should I end it there? Okay, let's take note of this. I wanted to end it here, but let's see. Let me do this, guy. This USD JPY. USD JPY. Let's see. USD JPY. Last week gave us a little retracement because for sure USD JPY is an uptrend. It's an uptrend, okay. But what are we expecting this week? Let's see if we can get an entry. If you watch, we see price go somewhere here and went up. Let's see if we can get an entry. Let's see if we can get an entry for that buy. Okay. For USD JPY, for this currency pair, please take note. For this currency pair, USD JPY, we expect price, either price pull back towards this region. Okay, so for USD JPY, we're expecting a buy in this two zone. Okay, so watch out for price. If price pull back towards this region, this guy will be good for a buy at this point. So we have a buy entry here. We could only have another buy entry here. So when we get that buy entry, we can go for the next. Let's see where we get our next get the next resistance is very fast. So look at what I'll do. Just follow me. Look at what I'll do. Look at this. Cool. So if we take that trade, our target should be on this region. Should be on this region. That should be target. Yes, should be on this region. So around 137 zone. 137. So can name it target level. So USD JPY is going towards 137. Okay, but when is it right for a buy? It should be right for a buy when price pull back towards this region. When price pull back towards 133 region or 134 region. So take note. This is where we take our buy for USD JPY. USD JPY. So I don't like to do much analysis. I want us to hit the trade run. So with this, we can go with the chart. Okay? We can go with the chart. We can go and see what price will give us. Remember, we are looking at this, and then we are saying we're taking our buy for this Canadian dollar. Okay. So one thing that is interesting is that when you don't need to take all the setup, okay? You just look for those setups that will give you accurate results. Okay, there's one thing I want to bring in. Let me see if I can do that in a jiffy. Look at this square. I was looking at this square during the week. I noticed something. Okay. For me, if you watch, yes, you can see that somehow this guy, okay, is giving us this. So, what am I expecting this week on this chart? Look at this. Let me go this way first. Let's go this way. Let me probably go this way. Yeah, look at this region. Okay, so if you notice, you see that this is an H4 chart. Okay, let's go to H1 chart and see. H1. What is this guy giving us? If you notice, you see a W. I'm expecting this price to have land here. Okay. I'm expecting this price. Let me get it accurately. So let's go to H1. So we expect a drop down towards this zone. Then we can take a buy that will break above this region. Okay. So this guy will be good for a buy at this region. That will be good for a buy at this region, and first TP level, we target this zone for our TP. Target this zone for our TP. So that TP Furthermore, although this one is for long-term trade, furthermore, we expect this price to go towards the next target. Let's see if it will happen this coming week. But at least for CP1, this is what we are expecting. Okay, so take note. We are targeting this guy. So at this point, I just want to pause for now. During the week, I will equally bring some analysis, but these are the pair we are looking at for this week. So take note, look at the direction, and look at when price will go towards that zone and trade safely. So thank you to when we get next week, we'll get some other analysis and equally post it in this group. Thank you.